For the first time on my channel, I am making some savory recipe, Jeera Biscuit, or you can say Cumin cookies. These crispy and tasty biscuits are perfect for tea time. First, prepare some roasted jeera or cumin for this recipe. Then crush it a little bit. It will enhance the flavor of the cookies. Then in a bowl, take 1/4 cup curd, add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in it and quickly mix them. Then add 1/3 cup melted ghee. You can use butter instead of it. Again mix them well. Now add 1 plus 1/3 cup wheat flour. Salt. I added a little less than a teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Then add half teaspoon powdered sugar just for enhancing the flavor. Then add our roasted and crushed cumin. Mix all the ingredients and make a dough. If the dough looks dry, don't add milk in it. Just add 1 tablespoon melted ghee. This is the perfect dough for our biscuits. Refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Now we make our biscuits. I am making square shape biscuits. You can make any shape of your choice. Bake these biscuits on preheated microwave convection mode at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. Every microwave is different, so time may vary by 2-3 minutes. The aroma of the cumin is everywhere in my kitchen. Our biscuits are ready. Look at the texture. It's so tempting. These Jeera biscuits are perfect as a savory treat for your kids and your family. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment below. Try it and you will not regret.